In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end of this tutorial so you don't miss out on any important information. So with saying that, let's begin. So first, open up your Messenger app. Now as you see, there's all my chats here. And if you want to see your deleted messages, click on the three horizontal bars on the top left of your screen. And then click onto archive, and then once you're there you can see all your deleted messages in one place. Any messages you want to unarchive on this list, simply click and hold on that message and then hit unarchive, and there you go. So now I'll be back in your chats. Now in order to recover any deleted messages on Messenger, simply head back to your Facebook app, click on the three bars that should be in the top right hand corner of your screen, click onto that, scroll down and then click on the settings and privacy, and then click into settings, and then scroll down a little bit and you should be able to see download your information. So there it is there. So now click on download your information, click on continue, and then click on request to download. Select your accounts and profiles and then click on next. And then on this page here, so here you can download a complete copy of your Facebook messages, or you can select the type of information you want to retrieve. So click on to the second option, wait for it to load, and then scroll down a bit and then click on the messages like that, and then click on to next, wait for it to load, and then here you got all these information types. So select which ones you like to check. In our case it's going to be messages, and then click on next, and then it's going to come as a HTML format, and you can change the quality. Click onto that, high, medium or low. I suggest medium, but it just depends on you. And then you can select the date range, click on the date range. So last week, last month, 3 months, 6 months, year, 3 years. In my case, I'm just going to keep it as last year. Click on save, and then click on submit request. Wait for that to load, and then there you go. So now it will probably take around a few hours to 24 hours. Once your file is ready to download, click on download, and then it'll get saved into your files. And then with that, open up that file, the folder that says messages, and then open that up. And then you can open up any of the conversations that you had. So yeah, there it is, how to recover your deleted messages on Facebook. So thanks for watching to the very end of this tutorial. Please consider to like the video and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot. Cheers.